God is not looking on your weaknesses or your fault or your wrongdoings, but God is seeing you on how Jesus become your Lord and Savior. So that is the perfect plan of God in our lives, in your life, and in my life. So every time you come to God, every time you recognize Jesus, lagi mong tatandaan, nananagana ka. Bagamat sa tingin mo, kulang ka, ang kabuuan ng iyong kakulangan ay ang ating Panginoong Kristo. Doon ka kukuha, doon ka lalapit, doon ka hihingi. At ang Diyos ay kinikiling niya ang kanyang tainga upang marinig ang ating mga panalangin. Ang ganda po nung na yan, no promise, no? Every time you pray to God, no, kahit na in the quietness of your spirit, the Lord is attentively hearing your petition. Ibubuka mo pa lamang yung bibig, alam niya na ipapanalangin mo. So kapag nalalangin ka pa, lalo niya palang ididikit, ikikiling ang kanyang mga tainga sa iyong mga panalangin. So kung ang Diyos ay so attentive to your heart cry, to your prayers, through your petition, how much more you must have a God listening heart.